We elicit deliberation by people to determine their priorities. This can generate hundreds of comments, and how do we make sense of them? We need to organize them and synthesize them, but how? A trained and competent themer can become overwhelmed when there are more than 80 comments. How can we handle hundreds of comments quickly and efficiently? Curated feedback provides an AI-assisted process for organizing and synthesizing comments. It is effective, efficient, and easy. AI is used to infer comment similarity, which allows us to display potentially related comments in convenient clusters. Human operators review the AI clusters and link together the related comments according to a participant in the context of the deliberation. This is not done by the AI. The linked comments are pinned to topics to form a mind map. As the topics form, the structure of the conversation emerges as a mind map and an outline. Human operators synthesize the topic comments into topic themes. Let's see how it works. First, we're going to look at linking related comments. Here is a cluster of comments that the AI indicates are likely to be related. The light gray lines show the suggested AI links. Our goal in this stage is to link the comments that are actually related in the context of this deliberation. We link two comments by clicking on one comment and then clicking on a second comment. The red linking line indicates that you are in linking mode. When you click on the second comment, the comments are linked and the red linking line disappears. Notice that a comment's border is initially yellow and it becomes green when it has been linked to another comment. This helps you focus on the unlinked comments. You can link multiple comments sequentially if you hold the Shift key down when you click on the target comments. Clicking in an empty space will exit linking mode and the red linking line disappears. As you mouse over a comment, the background color of other comments may change to indicate which comments are more likely to be related. You can cut the link between two comments by holding down the Shift key as you move the mouse over a green link. When you see the scissors, click the mouse to sever the link. As we link the comments, the clusters of actually related comments help us to detect the structure of the deliberation. When you have linked all the related comments in this cluster, move to the next cluster. You can click the next cluster button in the menu or press Shift and Enter. While you are reviewing and linking the comments, you can also star a comment that seems exemplary, and you can also record a memo for later reference. Long comments are truncated and end with an ellipsis. Move the mouse over the comment with ellipsis to see the full text. Now we're going to look at how we pin comments to topics with another short video. Once most of the comments have been linked, we start pinning topics to the comments. We start with the cluster of actually related comments. Comments that have been linked together have green borders and are connected by green links. Our goal in this stage is to connect all of the comments to at least one topic. You add a topic to a comment by clicking the pin icon and entering a short topic tag. When a comment has been pinned to a topic, the topic is added to the cluster and connected to the comment with a blue link. Topics and comments connected to topics have blue borders. You can connect additional comments to this topic by clicking the topic and then clicking on another comment. You can connect multiple comments by holding the Shift key as you click on the comments. Link the comments to topics in this cluster and then proceed through the remaining clusters by pressing Shift plus Enter. A comment can be pinned to more than one topic. As you pin topics to comments, an outline emerges on the left side. You can also link a comment or topic directly to a topic in the outline on the left. Topics can be connected to other topics to form a hierarchical mind map and outline. You can cut the link between a topic and a comment by holding down the Shift key as you move the mouse over a blue link. When you see the scissors, click the mouse to sever the link. When all of the comments have been pinned to a topic, you can move on to the mind mapping phase. Now we're going to look at the mind mapping phase where we synthesize the comments that have been joined into topics. In the mind map, you can review the emergent structure of the deliberation comments. You can reorganize the comments by moving them among the topics. You can also move the topics. When you are satisfied with the structure of the mind map, you need to write a theme for each topic that summarizes and synthesizes the significance of the topic's comments. You should star comments that are exemplary. After you have organized the mind map and created themes for all of the topics, you can go to the outline view. You can create custom views of the outline and save them for displaying to the group, including in a report, or generating the options for a prioritization. For instance, we can adjust the outline display to show the topic themes and their exemplary starred comments. We can save this view for later use. So we have a process where we elicit deliberation from the participants, we organize and synthesize their comments, and then they can prioritize them. Oftentimes, the prioritization becomes a feedback to the next session of deliberation. If we can curate fast enough, the group dialogue can drive itself. We can shorten the feedback loop by sharing comments early. This allows the deliberation groups to see the kinds of ideas that are developing elsewhere in the room. The curated feedback process works with any source of quality dialogue. There's a curated email version, the 21st century deliberation face-to-face version, an online version, etc. So curated feedback and WhatDoWeThink create a synthetic dialogue process that allows large groups to deliberate as effectively as a small group, across time and space. If we can make this effective and easy to use, the constituents and members of any group can think together and articulate their collective priorities through an open, transparent, and authentic process. This thinking together doesn't simply articulate community opinion. It provides the opportunity for community judgment to form, evolve, and examine itself. Curated feedback makes thinking together possible. Curated feedback is a new form of communication, just as in the recent past, wikis, blogging, tweets, and Facebook were all new forms of communication. Curated feedback is a form of deliberative media, hopefully supplanting the use of social media in governance and political expression. This ability to think together is crucial to realizing political fiduciary responsibility as an irresistible force in governance. When the constituents can authoritatively develop and articulate their priorities, they can hold officials accountable and support the officials who pledge to act on the reasoned behalf of all of their constituents. So here's a way that you can try these tools right now. Start from the WhatDoWeThink homepage. Click the link Try Curated Feedback. Click on one of the links at the top to import the comments to be curated. You can use your own comments. You can also import comments from one or several of our past deliberation sessions. Select one of the sessions. Select the contents you want to import. We suggest you import all of them. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Click the robot box. Click Import Comments. Add a username and password to secure your project. Add your email address to help you recover your project if you forget the link. The mind map will open with the outline on the left. Move the mouse to the top to see the dock menu. Click on the View button to the left and then click on Link Comments. You will see the AI cluster of comments for you to start linking. Click on a comment and draw a link to a related comment by clicking on a second comment. Hold down the Shift key when you click the target comment and you will remain in linking mode. When you hover over a comment or put the comment in linking mode, the most related comments will have darker background shading to help you find the related comments. Continue linking as we showed in the earlier video. To import your own comments, click the link Use Your Own Comments. Paste your comments in the box. Select the comments. You can merge and split comments as necessary. Enter a subject for your comments, then click Import Comments. The rest is the same. And here's a quick video on how you can try out the mind mapping. Start from the What Do We Think homepage. Click the link Try Mind Mapping. Enter a subject. Click the robot box. Click Create. Add a username and password to secure your project. Add your email address to help you recover your project if you forget the link. The mind map will open with the outline on the left. Click the green Add Comment icons to add a new comment or child. While editing a comment, hold Shift and press Enter to save the comment and close the editor. When a node is selected as shown by the green border, pressing Enter will add a new node below it, and pressing Shift plus Enter will add a new node above it. Pressing Ctrl plus Enter will add a new child node. You can give a comment a tag that will appear in the outline. This is especially useful as you create a hierarchical mind map. The structure of the mind map is reflected in the outline to the left. You can drag nodes around the mind map. Please consult the documentation for more information. Thank you for watching this presentation and visit us at WhatDoWeThink.com.